the Explorer, Dora's Halloween Adventure. Hola, I'm Dora. Swiper swiped Boots' bag of Halloween candy, but we don't know where he hid it. Will you help us find the bag? Let's follow the candy trail. Map says the candy bag is at the haunted house. We have to follow the candy trail through the spooky forest, past the pumpkin patch, and that's how we get to the haunted house. We're at the spooky forest. Do you see any candy? We made it to the pumpkin patch, and here's a scarecrow. The scarecrow says we can find candy next to two pumpkins that match. Do you see two matching pumpkins? Look, the candy trail leads right up to the door of the haunted house. Let's go inside and find Boots' candy. There's a ghost inside the haunted house. The ghost has an orange tail. I don't think that's really a ghost. Do you? Do you know who it is? Yeah, it's Swiper. We did it! You helped us find Swiper and Boots' bag of candy. Happy Halloween! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.